The show's been absolutely phenomenal. We've made a lot of different connections with distributors, with manufacturers overseas.
It's a huge show. It's mammoth. Through here, there's hundreds of thousands of people that we've met that we've never came across before.
It's a really good experience to meet new people and start new foundations in like a centralized area.
The innovative products that are coming out new are mostly featured here.
Being here at ASD has allowed us to put ourselves out on the map. We have a few folks who have come by with the interest to pursue distribution opportunities, retail purchases.
ASD to me embodies networking perfectly. It's the best place to network if you have a business. You know, like I said, if you're a buyer, if you're a seller, if you're looking for a customer, you're looking to be somebody's customer, this is the best place to be.
ASD is the best show that we've been to so far, and I really love it, and I can't wait to come back.
ASD is off the hook. ASD is amazing. Amazing. We're so glad we came.